Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Techno Education Academy. In this video lecture, we will discuss the most IMP MCQ of boiler, which is generally asked in all types of mechanical competitive exam. Let us start with question number 1. Locomotive boiler is a multi-tubular, internally fire and mobile boiler. So here you can see that in a locomotive boiler, okay, there are number of tubes, so it is called multi-tubular boiler, and the cell of the locomotive boiler is horizontal, so it is called horizontal boiler. And here the flue gases, it will pass through the bundle of tubes, so it is called internally fire boiler, and surrounded the tubes there is a water, and it is movable, so it is called mobile boiler. Question number 2. Locomotive boiler is, so locomotive boiler produces steam at a very high rate, and the length of the cell of the locomotive boiler is 4 meter and the diameter of the cell is 1.5 meter. And the locomotive boiler has 157 fire tubes and 24 superheated tubes. Question number 3. The water tubes in a Babcock and Wilcox boiler are. So here you can see that, okay, the tubes are arranged inclined. So the right answer is inclined. The water tubes in a Babcock and Wilcox boiler are inclined, and it is a water tube boiler. Question number 4. The water tube boiler produces steam at a dash pressure than that of a fire tube boilers. So the right answer is lower. The water tube boiler produces steam at a lower pressure than that of a fire tube boilers. Question number 5. Which of the following boilers work on a forced circulation of water? So option A, B and C, Lamount boiler, Benson boiler and Loeffler boiler, these are the high pressure boiler, and in a high pressure boiler we are using forced circulation. So the right answer is option D, all of these. Question number 6. The forced circulation of water does not take place in, we have already discussed in previous slide, Lamount boiler and Benson boiler, these are the high pressure boiler, as well as Wilcox boiler, it is also high pressure boiler, and in high pressure boiler we are using forced circulation. So the right answer is option B, Lancashire boiler, in which we are using natural circulation. So the forced circulation of water does not take place in Lancashire boiler. Question number 7. The working pressure range of Lamount boiler is in between 3.5 to 20 meganewton per meter square. Question number 8. Benson boiler requires no drum. So here you can see that in a schematic diagram of Benson boiler there is no any drum, while as in Lamount boiler we are using drum. So Benson boiler is advantageous as compared to Lamount boiler. We are using drum, so at that time its handling cost, its material cost as well as maintenance cost, it will be increases, while as in Benson boiler we are not using drum, so it is more advantage as compared to Lamount boiler. As well as Benson boiler is a high pressure water tube steam boiler using a forced circulation of water. Question number 9. The average operating pressure of Benson boiler is 250 bar. The rate of steam produced in a Benson boiler is 135 tons per hour. So sometimes in exam, the range of steam produced, it is also asked. So remember, in a Benson boiler, the steam produced is 135 tons per hour. Question number 10. Which of the following boiler is best suited to meet the fluctuating demand of steam? So in a locomotive boiler, okay, it will fulfill the fluctuating demand. So the right answer is locomotive boiler is best suited to meet the fluctuating demand of steam. So dear friends, I hope this information it will be helpful to you. If you would like to watch this type of more technical content, then please subscribe our channel and also share with your friends.